Hello guys, happy Saturdays, hope you're all having a good weekend and welcome back to Wealthy Affiliate Bootcamp on YouTube. Today we're going to do another video regarding how easy it is to create websites using Wealthy Affiliate. If you remember the last video we did, I showed you how you can make a website very quickly within Wealthy Affiliate. If we just have a quick shifty here. And is airportcars.com, and that's what we ended up with, just the very basic starts of a website. What I'm going to show you today is the way in which you can apply templates to a website to completely change the look of them very easily. Now, the templates I like to use are these ones by Wordpress. It's all they're called Genesis Framework. Basically, you have to pay for them. If we go to Shop for Themes, details and pricing. See, this one, for example, pitches in at around $99, but they are very professional. The coding of them is done in such a way that they're tidy, and there's more likelihood of you getting ranked on Google than if you use one of the free ones. It's just that next step professionally if you want to go that extra mile. I use Genesis Framework and Genesis Themes for all of my websites, and I seem to get on quite well with them, so I definitely recommend it. Anyway, if we go to wealthyaffiliatebootcamp.com, back to my Wealthy Affiliate review, remember to start a website with Wealthy Affiliate. You've got to sign up for a free account at the bare minimum, which you can do here through my review. Just wait for this to load. Hopefully my internet will behave. There we go. This takes you through to the Wealthy Affiliate page. Remember, if you don't have an account, you can fill in your details in these boxes here and then create a free account. If you do, you just go log in. Now, if you remember from my last video that I did, guys, the powerful part to do with Wealthy Affiliate is site rubrics. We go into Site Manager, and this is a section where you can, build websites about just about anything. As you can see, I've got a list there. Now, if we go to andysairportcars.com and we log in, this will take us to the back end of Andy's Airport Cars. Now, what we want to do, we want to customize the site. In particularly, we want to change the theme. If we go into change your theme completely, alternately, you can go into appearance on the left there and themes. So if we go change your theme completely, this gives you a list of the themes that are currently loaded on our website. And if you recall, Iconic One is the default that I showed you in the last video. If we do add new, this will give you a list of other themes that you can install on the website. There's quite a few there, and I think it does pick the majority of them up from Wealthy Affiliate, and you can also do a search for a particular theme name up there. But what I want to do is upload a theme that I have already, one of these Genesis Framework themes that I showed you. So if we go to upload theme and we go browse, right, we go to Andrew website files and WordPress templates. Okay, you see 3 zip files here. The themes all do come compressed in zip files. We've got 1140 Pro, Enterprise Pro, and Genesis. I'll explain what those are in a minute. Enterprise Pro, if we go to Wealthy Affiliate Bootcamp, Enterprise Pro makes your website look like this with the nice black bar, space for a logo, social buttons, that sort of thing. It's a bit plain, but people nowadays want to read stuff. They don't want a load of crap. in the middle. Basically, they just want to be able to clearly read what their subject matter is, and as you can see, it's all quite tidy. You can add share buttons and various other things to it. So that's the Enterprise Pro theme. The other one that I own is the 1140 theme by Genesis, which again is very effective, and that one's pretty good for, you know, basic websites and affiliate marketing and all this sort of thing. If you look at carcctvcameras.com, that's one of mine, and this has the 1140 theme applied to it, so you can see, you know, straight away. We're going to have a look. A different look again, and you can see down the right you can customize it with different layouts and things like that. So let's have a look at how you'd actually install this. So if we go back to the back end, if we go browse in here and in here, right, there's two parts to the Genesis framework, the actual installation. You've got the underlying framework, which is this, Genesis 2.1.2. You have to install that before you install anything else. That's the underlying theme or underlying code, if it were, that makes the whole thing work. So if we do that and open, I'll do install now. And then we do activate. See, it's that simple. Putting a theme in is literally as simple as that. It's a button click. Now, if we go and have a look, you can see it's completely changed the layout of the whole thing. You will agree with me, it looks like a hell of a mess, but all it's done is literally just put the coding in that's needed. So if we go back to themes again, and we say add new, so that's put the underlying theme code in there that's needed. Now what we want to do is install the actual premium theme that we want. So we say upload theme and we go browse. So remember, we've done the underlying Genesis framework. Now we want to put the 1140 theme in. So if we go open and install now and then activate, there we go, that's done. So if we have a look at this now, there you go, totally different. And that gives you, you know, the layout there, a couple of sidebars, content in the middle, a header, various other things. So that is basically how you install a Genesis theme on your websites. So if we go back to dashboard, you'll see once you've done the Genesis theme, there's a Genesis option there with theme settings, where you can make sure automatic updates are enabled. You've got different colors you can choose from. So just for the sake of example, we'll go red. Save those settings. See what that does. And it just changes the lettering to, you know, a red color. If we go back to the dashboard and theme settings, I'm going to just change that back to the default. But once you've installed the thing, you can have a play around. You've got the default layout there as well. What I generally tend to do is that. So we've got like the top area, the content, and then a sidebar. Breadcrumbs are handy. I'll explain what those are in a later video, but for now, if we do homepage, posts, and pages. Display post excerpts and include the featured image. That'll become clear a bit later. With medium, right aligned. Yeah, so as you can see, once the theme's in, you can customize pretty much all you like. So if we do visit site now, you can see the layout has changed. We've just got that sidebar there and the main content area and this bit up here. We go to appearance and widgets. This is how that is controlled. Primary sidebar, that's, you know, everything that's in there. So we could do that, take all those out, and we could say recent posts or pages. Let's say pages. Okay. And we call that site navigation. Save. So if we have a look here now, here you go, site navigation, and then you've got the sample page there that WordPress pops in. We need to get rid of this just another WordPress site as well. So if we go dashboard, and if we go appearance and customize, you can also do it there as well. And if we go site identity, get rid, save and publish. Okay, so then that pulls all that content just up the top. We go back, and you can see there's a load of other images that you can do as well. One of the good things with WordPress, you can either have a running blog on your front page or just a static page, but once we've got some content in, we'll deal with that sort of thing a bit later. So that's it really, guys. That is how you install a Genesis theme on your website. I hope that was okay for you. If you've got any questions or want me to go through anything again, have a look at the bottom and you can leave a comment for me and I'll try and help you out. And remember, all those themes are all from StudioPress, and I will leave a link for that down the bottom as well. And when I write it, which I'm in the process of at the moment, there will also be a link to how to do it, you know, written instructions. So thanks again, guys. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share things about, and I look forward to hearing from you again soon. Cheers, bye.